Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Style. Just you guys, you are seeing pots and pans on my table right now. Okay, so you guys know earlier I posted the video with my silverware that I have purchased. I actually recorded this video yesterday. Look at this, gorgeous. Like it's beautiful. I'm in love with it. And like I said, I also purchased my pots and pans set, which just arrived today. Look at that. Like, it matches so perfect. Like, it goes perfect. Now with the pots and pans, you get three pots. Yeah, 3 pots. I got the big one over there. The big one's over here somewhere. Okay, but anyway, it is the like the handle to the lids. That is of the little rainbow color, you guys. I freaking love it. Look at it. It's so cute. It's the lids, and it's also the handles. Look at that. Like I said, as soon as I seen this, you guys, I was like, oh my God, didn't know these things existed. Had to buy it. Yeah. So it comes with these 3. And then, of course, you get this huge one over here. And look at it, the handles. And it's so rainbow. Like, you really can't see all of the colors that it changes. Because it's like, as you move it, it's changing from pink to blue to yellow. It's changing. It's beautiful. I love it. The link for this will be in the description box. Purchased from Amazon as well. But I do think Walmart sells this also. I think so. Yes, I think so. But you guys, look at that. Now, I did buy the silverware and stuff separate, but you guys, it matches just the same. Like, it's perfect. It's perfect. Super cute. Look at that. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with it. I just am. I'm going to be looking for cups. I'm going to be looking for teapots, pitchers, whatever I can find. I'm going to be looking for it. I told my daughter I was going to do the living room rainbow colors. And she was like, no, Mom, I think you should just stick to doing that in your bedroom. Nobody wants to see that. That's exactly what she said. But you know what? I love it. I love the look. I love the rainbows. Like, and especially as you turn it, you move it. It's changing colors, you guys. It's changing colors. It brightens your day up. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. You guys, I'm going to go back on there and I'm going to look. But I just wanted to share this because, like I said, I just found out a couple days ago, that this stuff existed. Like these beautiful things. Like, I'm just used to either, silver or gold, basic, boring colors. But when I seen that it was rainbow, I was like, oh my gosh, this opens up a whole new world for me. Let me go and explore this. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.